Hi guys, Girolamo Aloe here in a short hangout to talk about GBPAUD, British Pound, Australian Dollar. And the first thing is just to explain you, I'm not a financial advisor. I don't give financial advices. I don't tell you how to invest your money. I don't tell you how to manage your bank account and many other things like this. Trading is a risky practice and you have to be aware of this. So now we can talk about Audi. Wait a moment that I change the screening. Okay, guys, here we are. British pound and Australian dollar. What can you see here about supply demand trading? You can see that in this situation we have that the price is took away here, this green level here, the previous demand, and now the price is going down strongly with a very good momentum. What can you see is that now we have a new demand level just here and another demand level here, and the strongest demand that started the unbalancing is just here. So the expectation, just taking a look on the highest time frame, is that the price can drop more in the middle term, trying to achieve this level here at last. And going back to the lower time frame, you can see that the price is going to have potential bouncing back. When the price is went over this demand level is now no more valid, so it is not more relevant for trading. But anyway, it shows that the breaking of this level shows a new supply level just here. So the expectation for this currency is that the price going down to test this specific level here, it can have a bounce back to go up more. Maybe it can achieve this supply level, then this is the possibility to have a new sell, or maybe the price can just have a simple bounce and continue its trend properly. Anyway, you can base your trading just following the trend line that you have here and the reference about the supply demand levels that you have on your charts, and you can take in consideration is to have that is just following. It is in an uptrend in this moment, as you can see, and it is just having a correction for the trend. It is following is uptrend. It is in an up channel. So you have to understand that this bullish channel can have a bottom edge, and you have to just take in consideration where can be this bottom. Anyway, to have a clear view of the trend of about the main situation that you can see in this currency, you have always to take a look on the highest time frame to understand what is the the dominant trend. So what is the momentum, what is the main demand that give the strongest imbalance in the market. And you take a look in the higher time frame again, and maybe you can have a clear view of the situation. You see here that the price is definitely in an uptrend just here, and now it is going down because it is reached the top of the channel, that the top edge of the bearish channel in this case. And if you want to have just a refined view, a refined analysis about this currency, we can go to the lower time frame to understand what has happened here. This demand level that is now marked in gray was taken out after that it was tested at least 1 or 2 times. And in the last test, the price made a new lower low here and bounced back. And this bouncing back was not more so strong to sustain the up movement, because the demand was now very weak. It was tested many times, then the level is weak, and the price just moved back with a strong momentum, marking a new supply level here. And the momentum is going down just for 1, 2, and 3 days now, and potentially it will go down more until it will test the demand level that that is visible just here. The green range, the green area is just a demand level in the we can have a bounce back, and we can have a buy trade to take to catch the bounce back. But this is a risky practice. It is more favorable maybe to sell when the bounce back became exhausted, then take the a potential trade when the price go to test again a supply level that you see in the chart, because it is just a trading in a continuation of the trend. Just you are going to selling to take the opportunity, continuing the trend, and this is something really interesting. Okay, this momentum will continue maybe for today and also for tomorrow maybe. But anyway, take in consideration the trading view, the trading scenario that you have here now. So guys, if you have some question, you can do it just in a comment. I will read a comment just here. Okay, I don't have a problem to read my comment here or also in my group that is growing very, very strongly. Very, very quickly this moment. You can add your comment. I will answer quickly, or maybe I will answer also later when I will close this Hangout. And tomorrow there will be my webinar, my free webinar to talk about the market, where we will analyze very well, strictly and with details, at least 3, 4, or maybe 5 currencies or 5 financial instruments. You can join to my webinar. It is free. You can take a part, you can make questions, and you can have a great advantage from what I have to say about this currency. You can also suggest some financial instruments that you want to see in the webinar, just adding a comment on my group or or by skipping the confirmation email, so they will not be in the webinar. So guys, take a look at this, take care about this, and do it. Confirm your subscription. I want to also show you my great service just in a quick view. Let me share the page. Okay, wait a moment. Just I think this. My Profit Me service for premium subscribers. If you're interested to join in, you can take a look what I can give to the channel members. To the channel member, they can have video lessons, webinar, many other things, private community, and other specific things about them. You can be happy with this service if you're interested, and enjoy for what I can give you. And if you like, if you want to know more about this service, you can just contact me. I will tell you more. And just this is the page. If you want to take a look, go and watch it. So now I can go back to talk about the GBPAUD. What I can say as a last thing, as to close this discussion, is just if you want to really make money by trading, stop to use indicators, stop to lose time with particular news or particular things, but just base where there are the best reversal point for your trading, where the price is showing potential opportunity to have a reversal behavior in the trend. And this is just what I show you with supply demand trading. So guys, take a look about take care about the supply and demand levels, and you can take the best for yourself. And this is currency is easy to trade if you sold here, or if you sold here when you have seen this, or maybe it is also easy to trade when the price will make its convergence, going to test again this supply level, if it will happen, of course, if it will be possible. You can see here this convergence in this way, just this swing. When this potential swing will be completed, you can go to sell just here to take a continuation of the trend. This is just the main advantage from this from the supply demand level. Of course, there is the risk that the price cannot test again this level, or in this moment, or maybe there is the risk that here the price will continue to go down and you want to buy here. But anyway, risk is the base of this business. You have to risk if you want to earn money. There is no other way to get the best. So guys, thank you to listen my words. I was happy to give you this very short hangout to introduce the supply demand trend, and to talk about the British pound, Australian dollar. So guys, thank you to listen my words, and see you next time. Bye bye.